Hi everyone, my name is Michael Asari. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to change your course activity from topics format to weekly format. Okay, so the default format is having topic 1, topic 2, 3, 4. If you don't want it to be in this order, you can change to weekly formats. So if your lecture is once every week, you can have the dates showing, okay, instead of having topics. You can also rename these topics, topic 1, topic 2, to topics for the course. So if you are teaching, let's say, um, introduction to online learning, topic 1 can have, instead of topic 1, you can say internet access. Topic 2 can be um, software installation. Topic 3 can be login. Topic 4 can be how to reset password, something like that. Okay, so we are going to look at that. Don't forget to always turn editing on to be able to make changes. So let's turn editing on. Okay, now that we've turned editing on, we want to go and change these topics to weekly format. Right, so we will just click on this icon here. Click on this icon, top right, and then click on edit settings. Click on the icon and then choose edit settings. Now when it brings you here, you can scroll down, look for course format and then click on it. Look for course format and click on it. Now when you click on course format, you can easily change from topics format to weekly format. As simple as that. From topics format to weekly format. Just enter that, scroll down, and you can save and display to see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay, so I renamed this earlier on. That is how come this ones did not change. So you can do your own changes. So for instance, if week 1 is 29th to 4th August, 29th to 4th August, then week 2 will be 5th to what? So 5th. So you can just enter that. So you can have your, let's say 5 August to, let's say 12 August. Sorry, 5th September. September to what, 12 September, and just hit enter and then it changes. Okay, then you can have all. Okay, I think this should be 11. This should be 11. And then we can change this from 12 to what? 18. Okay, so this is how to rename it. All right. So you can rename it to whatever you want just by clicking on the pencil icon and typing whatever topic you want to have. It's as simple as that. And then you can drag these Okay, I can drag 12 to this part. Okay, you can actually drag this to the top the way you want. You can rearrange them. Okay, rearrange them. All right, now in case you have more than 4 topics, okay, and you want to add more, it is simple. All you need to do is to click on add weeks. You click on add weeks, then select how many more weeks. Add 5 more weeks. Click on add weeks. That's all. So we've added 5 more weeks to our course page. If you want to remove, what do? You click and then you delete. As simple as that. If you want to remove, you click 17th October, delete, and it's gone. All right. Okay, so that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or concern, you can leave that in the comment section. See you in the next one.